Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a branch in a Vercel deployment. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is head on over to vercel.com, sign into your account, and then choose your project that you'd like to change that branch in. So for this example, I'm going to choose this weight loss tracker. Now once we're inside our project, we need to click onto settings. Now, from here inside project settings, on the left hand side, we've got different tabs. Go ahead and click on the Git tab. Now from here on the right hand side, we want to go ahead and scroll down and now look for the section that says deploy hooks. So deploy hooks are unique URLs that allow you to trigger a deployment of a given branch. Now from here, we want to go ahead and give this branch a name. So put in your example hook and then your branch here, and then go ahead and click on create hook. If you want to learn more about deploying hooks, we can go ahead and read more about it here on this page here. It's a very helpful guide to understanding creating and triggering those deployment hooks.